Hey everybody, welcome to a very special Waifu Wednesday, and we have the fourth of the Goddess the Convergence CCG. This is one of the four factions in the fourth video. If you watched my previous videos, you'll know that I got a bundle of these from France. I got a mat, I got a binder, I got display booster boxes for each of the four factions and each starter pack, and then they threw in, or maybe this was part of the bundle, was some sleeves for each faction. This was on Kickstarter in 2023, I think. This is a French company. It has some really nice AI art. Not sure how good the game is or how complicated, etc., but yeah, I really like the art style. Really high quality. So let's dive into this starter pack. You get these specific cards in each one. And yeah, let's check it out. I generally get the same cards I get in a starter pack in a booster box, but that's okay. Wow, that's really nice. Let's see, looks like the foiling in this is like ivy leaves. This theme I think is a little more naturey. See, a lot more naturey. Again, really nice art style. It's a nice one. That's very cool. Interesting. Whoa. Very interesting names down here. Hard to pronounce. So yeah, there you have it. That's the starter pack. Some fun cards in there already. Looking forward to opening up the booster box. So yeah. Let's see. I don't know why I do this on camera, but do that later. All right, on to the booster box. Every faction has its own booster box with its own unique sets of cards that are listed in here, very much like Goddess story packs. I'm wondering if it's kind of like the same card manufacturer. Generally you get 4 to 5 higher rarity types, and usually you'll get dupes. Like one box I got 3 PR of the same PR card. And then there's these exclusive / special editions, which I'm not really sure what the deal is with those. Yeah, again, there's 16 packs per box. I think you get 10 cards per pack, which is actually pretty nice. Oh, right off the bat, I got an LXR card. Have I gotten one of those before? I don't think so. Interesting. Crazy. That's cool. So you get at least one SSR or higher per pack. And the SR's got nice stamping. This theme's definitely a lot darker. Hopefully you can make that out on the video, but that's from the dupe of that one. That's really nice. Wow. All right, we got fingers that aren't too bad for AI art. All right, EXR. It's pretty nice. Nice foil effect in the water. Got that one too for that one. Common dupes, of course. Wow, UPR. So I'm right off the bat, I'm getting the higher rarity types. Wow, look at that. Very cool. They should have put gold in her eyes. These, I think, maybe. Yep. Wow, nice. Another dupe UPR. That's what generally happens. Unfortunately. A lot of these have glowing eyes. They really should have taken advantage of that with the foiling. Oh, darn. I like that foiling. It's a nice one. And a bunch of dupes. Yeah, dupe LXR. Bummer. Ooh, that sucks. Printing damage. A lot of bodysuits in this faction. Which is fine by me. All right, 2 more packs in this first half. Whoa, nice. Look at that foiling. That's a dupe. That's a dupe. Dupe. Pretty sure that's 1, 2, and possibly. These are for sure, yep. All right, halfway through here. Whoa, look at that. Wow. Is that oh, SPR, okay. Another higher rarity type. I should have known because of the hollow foil. That's new. That one too. And then common dupes. All right, let's get to the second half here. This faction's pretty decent. I think Divinia is still my favorite, and then probably, you'd think Siberia because I like Cyberpunk, but I think that Fantasia is close second. All right, another EXR, and I think that's a dupe. I think, yeah, that's usually what happens is you get maybe two to three higher rarity types, and you'll get multiples of those, unfortunately, in a box. I did pull a weird CPR card in that one box. I really want to know what that is. I'm gonna, like I said, I'm gonna message them and find out. But these are mostly dupes, it looks like. All right, no, I got a PR card. So I actually got a fairly decent amount of different rarity types in this box, which is fun. That looks new. And the rest of these are dupes. Looks like. Yes. All right, back to the SSRs, which are always nice. These are all nice, actually. Can't complain too much, except for maybe the price. That looks new. Oops. That one's fun. Don't know why. Just the simplicity sometimes matters. The rest of these look familiar. So maybe that one, I don't know. Ooh. Very nice. Wow. Fun. Look at that. When I finally go through all these after filming, I really hope I get at least, like I said, a set of the commons and rares at least. That would be nice. And I don't know what sort of like multiples you're allowed to have in a deck, you know. But maybe you only get 20 cards in a deck, which is interesting. She's cool. Looks like Spider-Man. That outfit. And you got your... Oh. No, she looks smart. All right, penultimate pack of this box, and of all 4 of these boxes that I bought, she's a good one. Ooh, it's fun. I think I got her though. Alrighty, last pack. Let's get a ultra rare card for my money. Don't think that's gonna happen, but that's okay. This is a full dupe pack. I'm gonna guess it is. It certainly is a full dupe pack, unfortunately. But yeah, there you go. That's the, what was this? Sylvania box. Again, here's the checklist, if you will. Really wish I would have got one of these exclusive special edition cards. Those must be insanely rare. But yeah, please let me know what you thought of these. I'd love to buy more, but I just can't afford it. If I reach out about that CPR card I got in that other box, I will be sure to update my channel about that. But otherwise, again, let me know what you thought of these, what you think of everything, anything I do. I appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, everybody.